Limited series of India's light utility helicopter is ready at hangars of the Aeronautics Limited and the LUH, the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and the first LUH military variant test flight is likely to be concluded in August next year. The Defence Acquisition Council has approved the procurement of 12 LUH from HAL. The helicopter will replace the aging Chetak, the Chetak as well as the Cheetah helicopters. Let's look at this report.
This roaring light utility helicopter prototype, designed and developed by Rotary Wing Research and Design Center of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL), took to skies, and when it landed successfully at northern Ladakh at a high altitude of 16,890 feet and also demonstrated its payload capabilities in Siachen Glacier high altitude, it raised India's expectations and ended its search for an advanced multi-utility helicopter. Here is India's indigenous 3-ton class new generation helicopter for military and civil operators.
The main gearbox of the LUH is a different design. The ALH, it is called the Integrated Dynamic System, IDS. It was originally a German idea, but it has not been widely adopted in many other helicopters. So in the case of LUH, we made our own gearbox design, and so far it has proven to be very good, highly reliable and trouble-free.
The LUH, with a sleek body structure and advanced glass cockpit, can easily switch roles as a VVIP helicopter and a military payload machine. It can be deployed for reconnaissance, surveillance role, and as light transport helicopter or as a scout in a combat role. The features of LUH reflects in its performance. LUH is capable of flying 220 km per hour. It weighs 1,910 kgs. It has a range of 350 km. Fueling in crisis without shutting off engines is a unique feature. Most advanced pilot safety systems and modern avionics in the cockpit. The thrill of flying this helicopter is explained by Chief Test Pilot, retired Wing Commander Unni Pillai.
हम सियाचिन ग्लेशियर में ऑपरेट कर रहे थे, यही हेलीकॉप्टर थे। जब वहाँ ऑपरेट करते हैं गर्मी में, और सबसे हाईएस्ट हेलीपैड वर्ल्ड में दुनिया में 20,000 पे है, जब वहाँ जाते हैं तो परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द हेलीकॉप्टर गोज डाउन। बट इसमें हमने डिज़ाइन से ही ऐसी चीज़ें डाली हुई हैं विच विद द परफॉर्मेंस इज मेंटेन्ड, सो द पायलट इज सेफ। अगर बिल्कुल ही लिमिट हो ना, पायलट डज नॉट हैव एनी मार्जिन्स टू मेक अ सेफ ऑपरेशन। थोड़ी सी गलती हुई वहाँ क्रैश हो जाता है। इसमें हमने सब कुछ मार्जिन्स के साथ बनाया हुआ है, इनफ मार्जिन सो दैट पायलट्स कैन कंफर्टेबली ऑपरेट।
The integration facility for manufacturing the LUH at HAL Bangalore and the new one at Tumkuru became functional after Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone in 2016, and LUH successfully took off in 2018 from here. The operation clearance has been allotted for Air Force and Army, and the DGCA has also certified its civil variant.
This is the development of the Shakti engine, which powers all of these helicopters. That engine is optimized for high altitude operations, and it will be very useful for the army deployed on the borders. They will be able to move troops, they will be able to give fire support, and all in all they will be able to customize that helicopter for whatever usage they want without referring to foreign OEMs. So now they have this very versatile helicopter based on the Shakti engine.
Air Force has already placed an order of 6 LUH, and HAL hopes that their order book will register more numbers in coming years. LUH will also be ready for exports to other countries too, and is all set to conquer the skies with a proud tag of Made in India. With cameraman Ravi, Asha Khanam, DD India, Bangalore.